word problems. Are you ready? So let's start. So we can use solving word problems using addition using bar models. So let's read the word problem. Suresh has 14 buttons. Jason has 9 buttons. How many buttons do they have together? So we can solve it by using the representation of the buttons. So I have here buttons. The first 14 buttons is for Suresh, and the 9 buttons is Jason. Okay, so we can use also cubes or draw a model to show the number of buttons. So here we use a cube. So the yellow cube is for Suresh's buttons, and for the green cubes represent Jason's buttons. So we have 14 buttons for Suresh and 9 buttons for Jason. Okay, so how many buttons do they have altogether? So let's answer. So we're going to add 14 plus 9 equals to 23. So first we're going to add the ones. 4 and 9 is equal to 13, and we're going to add 1 here. That's why it is 23. So here is the solution. So 14 plus 9 equals to 23. We're going to part 14 into 2 parts. We have 13 and 1. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, and 13 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 23. So they have 23 buttons altogether, or you can add them by using the counting on method. You can count 1, 2 up to here. Okay, let's have another example, or let's have another word problem. Let's read. Ploy saves 475 baht, while Preo saves 243 more than Ploy. So how many does Preo save? So let's see the keyword here. It says more than Ploy. So the question is, how much does Preo save? So how much money? Okay, so the given example, the given information is Ploy saves 475 baht, while Preo saves 243 more than Ploy. So we plan. So Ploy has 475 and Preo has more than 243. So how much money does Preo save? So we can write it in number sentence. 475 plus 243. So Ploy saved 475, while Preo saves 243 more than Ploy. So we're going to add 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, while 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 4 plus 2 is equal to 7. So Preo saves 718 baht. So therefore, Preo saves 718 baht. Next, So Debbie had 18 cookies at first, and Titi gave her 8 cookies. Quilling gave her 14 more cookies. How many cookies does Danny have now? So Titi gave 8, while Quilling gave 14. So this one is the representation of Danny's cookies at first. We have 18, and Titi gave 8, and Quilling gave 14. So how many cookies does Danny have now? So we have color orange for Titi and yellow for Quilling. So we're going to add them all 3. So 18 plus 8 plus 14 is equal to 40. So 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. So you add 2 here. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. That's why we have 40. So Danny has 40 cookies now. Okay, for number 4, Mr. Lee has 26 red balls in his shop. He has 17 more blue balls than red balls. So he has 17 more blue balls than the red balls. How many blue balls does he have? So we have 26 for the red balls and 17 more for the blue balls. So red balls is 26 while the blue balls is more than 26. Okay, so we're going to add them. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So we're going to put 1 here. And 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So we have 26 plus 17 is equal to 43. So he has 43 blue balls. Okay, for this example, there are 412 girls and 437 boys. How many students are there altogether? So we have yellow for girls, 412, and green for boys. So we're going to add them all together. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So we have 412 plus 437 is equal to 849. So there are 849 students altogether. Okay, for this one, for the last number, a warehouse has 385 bags of rice at first. So here we have 387 bags of rice, and the first truck took another 285 bags. So we add 265 bags of rice. And the second truck took another 134 bags of rice to the warehouse. So how many bags of rice are in the warehouse now? So we're going to add the 3 of them. So 7. So first we can add the first 2 numbers, which is 387 plus 265. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. We put 1 here. So 8 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 16. And then put 100. If 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So we have 652. Now we can add the 134 now. So we have 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, and 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So therefore, there are 786 balls of dice in the world now. Okay, so those are the examples that we have in solving word problems. For you, you're going to answer your activity from pages 82 to 84. So 82 to page 84. Okay, so 82 to page 84. Another lesson. This one is creating addition story. So we're going to continue it since we don't have enough time to finish the book. So we're going to have another lesson. So it is creating addition story. So what is addition story? So in math, addition stories are a form of word problem. So it is a word problem in which children read written questions. So we're going to read the written question and determine what sum to the answer. This sum will always involve addition problem. So it is addition problem. Okay, so we have 350 and 435. So we can make our own story based from the given numbers. So this one is the given number. So we're going to make a story, or we're going to create a story. 4 steps on how to create a story. The step 1, we're going to think of math idea. So the idea we used here is number, because 350 and 435 is a number. So next, we're going So we're going to make a story using the given numbers. For example, Dream sold 350 icy popsicles on Monday, and she sold 435 popsicles on Tuesday. So that is how we create a story. So we add names and things. Our question. So what will be our question? So the question is, how many popsicles did she sell on the 2 days altogether? So that will be the question. How many popsicles? So for the addition story, we can put the story and the question all together. So Pim sold 350 icy popsicles on Monday. She sold 435 icy popsicles on Tuesday. How many popsicles does she sell on the 2 days altogether? So for this one, we're going to work out the answer. So 350 plus 435 is 785. So 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So Prim solved 785 IT popsicles on the 2 days altogether. For another examples, we can make addition stories using the given examples or using the picture. So Chow bought a storybook for 285. So he bought a storybook for 298 baht, and she bought a school bag that cost 565 more than the storybook. Okay, it is more than the storybook. So we need to think of a math idea. The math idea is we can add numbers. So we're going to write the story or the given number. So we write it. Chow bought a storybook for 298 baht, and she bought a school bag that cost 565 baht, more than the storybook. So for the third step, we're going to ask the question: how much did the school bag cost? So how much did the school bag cost? So we solve this by writing the number sentence 298 plus 565. So first we're going to add the ones. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. We're going to put 3 here, and then we're going to add 1. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. We're going to write 6 here, and then we're going to put 1 here. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, and plus 1 is equal to 8. That's why we have 863. So the school bag cost 863 baht. So this was a great job. So for this activity, you can answer from pages 88 to again, it is from pages 88 to 19. Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope you learned about solving word problems, and also you know how to create addition stories. So if you have any questions, you can ask teacher on our group line. You can message or chat me on our group line. So that's all. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.